Okay, here we are. We're going to put the cover back on. All the nice new chains. Gasket surface is clean. Gonna pull our thing off. It's in the reassembly process. The 2010 Chevy Traverse reassembly process. All right, the timing chain cover is bolted on. It's got to be torqued. All the sealant's in there. And we're going to put the water pump on, put the alternator back on, the power steering pump back on, then do the valve covers, and put all that stuff back together. And start putting things in, put fluids in it, and it should be a runner. High confidence level here. Everything is timed correctly. All right, here we go. Power steering pump bolted up. Crank pulley on. All the bolts are torqued. Alternator's on. Valve covers are on. Sensors are in. Water pump, brand new water pump is in. It's looking good. Oh, the center bolts on the valve cup. Oh, those hold the coils. Yeah. Yep, okay. Fuse box has to be reassembled still. There's still one bracket that has to go on an alternator stud that we forgot. One bolt, multiple uses. And maybe next weekend we work on it, we'll have another runner in the night, revved up like a deuce.